Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down twice from the top of your screen and then locate the hotspot toggle. For me, it is visible right here on the first page. Once you see it first time around, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you'll want to navigate to set up Wi-Fi hotspot and select hotspot password. This will be randomly generated password. I don't believe this is a default one, so it's already been changed, I think. Usually it's more combination of letters and numbers. So anyway, once you get rid of it, you can then set up your own new password, which will need to have 8 characters in length. And that's all you need to change. So close this up, find the toggle once again, and whenever you want to use your hotspot, just tap on it instead. And when you're done using it, you can tap on it once more to turn it off. It does consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, there's no reason for it to be running in the background. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.